Eco-friendly for the urban explorer. Oh, didn't see that. What's up, Team KBA? This package literally just arrived and we're gonna unbox it for the first time. I guess it's always the first time. It's the first time we're gonna check out GASTON LUGA and see what their eco-friendly, design-conscious backpack is all about. This is the Splash 2.0 16-inch, arrived super quick. So if you like what you see in today's video or you want to explore the rest of GASTON LUGA's range, then support the channel by using the links down below. I also have a discount code available to help you save even more on your purchase. And if you want to read all about my first impressions, then make sure you check it out at onetechtraveler.com. I'll be putting them all in the pinned comments and video description. Right, let's get to it. Splash 2.0. It comes in a variety of colors. I'm not going to tell you what color I got just yet because I also want to see how it looks like. But I brought my knife. Looks like we might be able to tear it away though. Paper from sustainable forest and is completely recyclable, and it's also printed with soy ink. Oh, had a bit of drag on that. Let's see what we got here. Oh, very boxy design in a cardboard box. All right, let's check it out. You saw it first. Oh, looks nice. This is the Splash 2.0 16-inch in olive. They've also got taupe, dark blue, cloud cream, black. Got the GASTON LUGA Stockholm on the bottom. You take off the tags. Designed in Sweden. Always love a good pull tab in that color matching olive. And this is a recycled polyester with polyurethane. So this is waterproof coated, rated for 8,000 millimeters. So nice waterproofing here. Denim strap plastic buckle, PU coated top handle, mesh ventilation, mesh panel, wide luggage pass through, the side pocket, side zipper, full width. Got two wraparound zippers, nice and deep, all the way down, wraps around here, so fairly sizable, pretty good. Tucked away, we've got the little Swedish flag. Bottom panel, the side. Look at that front, very clean, huge top panel, pretty solid, nice structure, nice thickness too. The 5 levels for that gated hook. At its highest point, gives you a little bit more height to work with, and at its most low profile, nice kind of expandability in there. We've got some snap buttons, that's gonna help open that entry. One there, really comes alive now. Oh, I like that. Simple but effective to open that front out. And here is the inside. Very abrasive resistant liner. Nice and roomy for this 16-inch. False bottom, so adds a little bit of impact or drop protection. It means the laptop is not sitting all the way on this bottom panel when you're laying it down. Got that GASTON LUGA. 14-inch. Plenty of space. You've even got really nice height on top of that. And again, it's amazing how these snap buttons effectively cinch down the top opening, give it a bit more of a slimmer profile. Oh. All right, so we have some sternum buckles with a strap loop fastener. And we've got a D-ring here. This wouldn't be a replacement for the inside laptop section. You'd have to put that in the main. This is a 14-inch already, so unless you're rocking like an iPad Pro 12.9-inch, let's put some water. There you go. Just sort of runs off like that. And the good thing is it's not absorbing into the fabric at all. Some of them have layers and it kind of eats on the top side, but they have a laminate underneath for the waterproofing. This one is at the surface level, so it's going to be easy to dry and maintain. Waterproof zippers as well. So this thing is just fully weather sealed. Only thing is the back panel is not waterproof, so do bear that in mind. You don't want to be submerging this or getting this part wet, because that one is going to soak it up. But for the rest of it and all the exterior facing parts of this shell, you are sorted. Really premium feel. Love the fabric. I love the thickness of the top panel as well. Feels a lot more substantial, and all the stitching as well, nice and clean. The inside also has 100% recycled PET lining. Decent padding for that laptop divider. The gusseted panel means you do have a lot of depth to work with, so you can put like packing cubes, lunch boxes, tech organizers. They're all going to fit fairly comfortably in here, especially for the 16 inches. And of course, if you do need to really pack it out, then you can always rock it without the snap buttons on the sides. Really smooth. I really like these gated hooks. Feels nice. They're both uniform in one direction. And normally you find these straps can add or take away from the design, but Gaston Luga have done it nicely here. You just got simple stitching for the two sections, and these feel really nice and solid. Here's another look at the shoulder strap adjusters. These are metal, good quality with the GL logo branding. The metal adjusters, really nice, adds to that premiumness of the bag, and you've got some decent like cushioning. You can kind of hear like the crinkliness of the padding inside. Doesn't feel that dense, quite airy. Now the Splash 2.0 weighs 1.35 kilograms. It also has a rated capacity of 20 liters. You are looking at 45 centimeters tall, 35 centimeters width, and then 13 centimeters for the depth. If you're looking for a more compact option, they do have the 13-inch, and that would make more of a suitable like day pack. But this one is if you're like a lot of space, you tend to carry many items in your day trip, but I also find the space makes it easier for you to carry for like some small trips away. Zip pulls feel and look great in that matching green, but I would have liked them to just keep the consistency of how well built this bag is with those smaller details. Same thing could also be said for the D-ring. I'm not sure, it doesn't feel the same like this super metal adjusters, so we'll see how that fares, whereas the sternum buckles feel absolutely fine. Now some quick thoughts on the pricing. The 16-inch is available for $169 US, and the 13-inch can be had for $149 US, so just a $20 price difference, which means it's all about picking the right size that suits your kind of carry, your setup, and your load. The only difference where I'd say you get a little bit more in the 16-inch version is that back pocket that is not in the 13-inch. So it's nice and airy, just gives you a bit more pocketing options. And overall for $169 US, I think it feels really great. It's got that designer aspect to it, and I think a lot of people are going to appreciate the quality and also the way it looks. Normally this isn't really to my style with the two stripes down, but I think Gaston Luga have executed it very well and makes it appealing across a broader range of tastes. So for me, I like that, and I can see myself rocking this too. I'll have to see how it fares with all my variety of loads, since I do rock technical camera equipment and also a bunch of other things, but I think the 16-inch is going to give me plenty to work with. So that was my quick and first look at the Gaston Luga Splash 2.0 backpack in 16 inches. You can also read my thoughts on my website at onetechtraveler.com. And if you think this is the right bag for you, or you want to explore the rest of Gaston Luga's range, then you can support the channel by using the links down below in the pinned comments and video description. And if you end up picking one up, make sure you use my exclusive discount code to help you save even more on your Gaston Luga bag. So thanks a lot, Team KBA. I'll see you in the next video, but until then, keep being awesome. Peace.